What's up guys? So today Lane's going to teach me how to unmount a tire from a rim and then get a new tire and mount it and balance it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So it's going to be on this car. So the back tire is flat right now and it hasn't been holding air because there's a nail in this side and then there's one more on the other side.
I'm hanging out with you. Yeah. Because I did know, because I'm hanging out with you, okay?
Yeah.
You want me to do that? Okay, that's a good pump. You put your feet right here, and you put on here, and you put your one foot right there, and you can go like this.
So first you're just gonna want to take the inner of the valve stem off. So you can use a screwdriver, or if you have the tool you can use it. But I lost the tool, and that way it releases all the pressure and all the air can come out. Can you stand on this?
Now, make sure this side is underneath the lip. Yeah. See how you're pushing it under the lip over here? Mm-hmm. Try pull it down.
Pull this up?
Pull that down. There, you see, you can look, you can see the tire going under the lip now. You see it going underneath this lip as you pull it. So once you get the first lip over one end, you're gonna grab your other one and just pry it. Okay, once you get it like that, you can step off the tire. Get your other one. Yeah. So
do I need a third one, or do
you can let go of the red one, because the red one will more than likely stay. But you can take the red one out if you want. But I would just leave it down.
And use another one.
Get another one.
Can you record this?
Yes.
Tell me like something crushed. Is that okay?
So you should go more closer this way, because you'll feel like it's already there's a little gap that you can stick. And if it's too hard, go a little bit more closer. It's in small increments. What I do is I'll put the red bar under my foot, and then I'll pull it up. Now, leave the red one in there, but take the small one out. I need to get ones with longer handles, but it works for me, so. If you think this is hard, this is easy compared to the front tire right here that we
I wanted to do. Oh wait, what?
That one again.
It's easier now.
So now that it's almost off, you don't need to go so close to each other. You can like go right there in the middle and just pull it right off.
Over here?
Yeah, if it'll fit.
Oh.
Yeah. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick your foot in the middle and pull the tire up.
Over that.
And then you're gonna work from this angle now. You're gonna push the tire out that way.
Okay.
But it's tricky because you need to like kind of do two at one time. So you kind of let it, you see how it's back like this? You're gonna stick this one in more down, pull one, and you can pull the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one you're gonna need a little bit of muscle to do.
Oh, you know me. Why the frick is this so hard now? Yeah. I did a portion of it. Finally. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Mommy, the tire just went away from us this morning. Yeah, that was so funny. Do you saw that?
Yeah. Oh! It did it. Oh no. Oh, there. If you go with this, it looks good, right? And this is just one of the wheel balancers from Harbor Freight. So you just put the weights on the inside, just make the little bubble go in the middle. So it just finished. So that was it for this video. I hope that you guys found it helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.